Welcome 4th grade to flipped lesson number 11, addition word problems with missing addends. In previous lessons, we've taken a look at addends. Two numbers when added together will equal a total. And so in this case, if Tom had $3 and was given $5 more, we would write that $3 plus $5 is going to equal $8. Okay? Um, but in this lesson, we're going to practice solving word problems when the total is given, but an addend is missing. And we can solve these problems just like other arithmetic problems that have a missing addend. And we can subtract to find the missing number. We can also write our fact families and then find out which one of those addition or subtraction problems would be used in order to solve for the missing addend. So in some more problems, we've been going through, like in our last one, we know that we had $3 and we added $5 and then our total would be $8. But in these some more problems, they're going to be like giving you, Tom had $3, he was given some more money, and now he has $7. So how much money was he given? A way that you can solve this, is to just write your factor families. So fill in an X for your missing addend. And we know that 3 plus x equals 7. We also know that x plus 3 equals 7. 7 minus x equals 3, and 7 minus 3 equals x. So there's only one of these problems that will be used to solve for x, and it's 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. If I plug $4 in here, does it work? Does $3 plus $4 equal $7? It absolutely does. Let's go through some examples to put this into practice. Example number 1. Walter had 8 marbles. Then Lamont gave him some more marbles. Walter has 17 marbles now. How many marbles did Lamont give him? So I need to focus on my sum. My sum plus some more is going to equal my total. So does he have some marbles to start out with? How many? 8 marbles. And then he's given some more. How many more? We don't know. Some more. So plus X marbles. And now we need to figure out how many marbles he has altogether. What is his total? Some plus some more is going to equal a total. So Walter has 17 marbles now. So how do I solve for x? I can write my factor families, or fact families. 8 plus x equals 17. X plus 8 equals 17. 17 minus x equals 8. And 17 minus 8 equals x. And the only one that I can solve is 17 minus 8. So 17 minus 8 equals 9 marbles. And I can check to see if I'm right by substituting it back in. Does 8 plus 9 equal 17? It does. So 9 marbles is my answer. Example 2 says Jamie picked some apples. Then she picked 5 more apples. Now Jamie has 12 apples. How many apples did Jamie pick at first? So I write S for some, M for some more, and then that when I add those together, it should equal my total. What number in this problem equals some? Nothing. We don't know. It says she started with some apples. Then she picked some more. How many more? 5 more apples. And then altogether, how many apples did she pick? 12 apples. So I need to, how do I solve for x? Subtract. 12 minus 5 apples equals 7 apples. I can check it by substituting it back in. Does 7 plus 5 equal 12? It absolutely does. So there's a formula that I already used that can help you solve these problems. There's some addition problems about parts and adding up to a whole. One of the formulas is a sum plus some more is going to equal a total. Another formula is a part plus another part is going to equal a whole. We're going to look at example 3, and it's about a whole class that's divided into 2 parts. So a whole, or a part, plus another part is going to also equal a whole. There are 24 students in the whole class. If there are 14 boys in the class, how many girls are there? So my part plus the other part is going to equal the whole. How many students total are there? What's the whole? I have 24 students. How many boys do I have? 14 boys. So there are only boys and girls in my class. So how many girls are there? I need to subtract. 24 minus 14 should equal the amount of girls. 4 minus 4 is 2 minus 1. We think that there are 10 girls, but we need to substitute it back in and see. Does 14 plus 10 equal 24? It does. So there are 10 girls in the class. We're going to look at our lesson practice now on page 69. And there are letters A through C. And I'm going to do one of them with you. The directions at the top says to write and solve equations. And remember, an equation is a problem that has an addition or an equal sign. Okay? So this problem A says Lucille had 4 marigolds. Lola gave her some more marigolds. Now Lucille has 12 marigolds. How many marigolds did Lola give Lucille? So this is a sum plus some more equals my total problem. So my equation would be Lucille had 4 marigolds. Lola gave her some more. We can fill in an X, meaning we don't know. And then the total, now Lucille has 12 marigolds. So there's our equation right here. And now we need to solve for X. 12 marigolds minus 4 marigolds equals how many marigolds? 8 marigolds. To double check, I substitute 8 in for X, and does 4 plus 8 equal 12? It does. Finish B and C in Lesson 11, pages 69 through 71 for next time.